Good morning. How can I help you today? Hi, I have an appointment with Dr. Smith at 10:30. Can I have your name, please? Sure, it's Emily Johnson. Thank you, Emily. Let me check you in. Yes, you're all set. Please have a seat, and the doctor will be with you shortly. Thank you. Hi. How long have you been waiting? About 30 minutes. Just here for a checkup. You? I just arrived for a follow-up after surgery. Hope everything's okay. Thanks. I'm feeling better. What's your checkup for? Just a routine physical. Trying to stay healthy. Good idea. Do you have plans after? Meeting a friend for lunch. Nice. Good luck with your appointment. You too. Hope it goes quickly. Good morning. How can I help you today? Hi, I've been having a sore throat for the past few days. I see. Any other symptoms, like a fever or cough? Just a slight cough and some fatigue. Let's take a look. I'll check your throat and temperature. Okay, thank you. It looks like you might have a viral infection. I recommend rest and plenty of fluids. Sounds good. How long should it take to feel better? Usually about a week. If it doesn't improve, come back, okay? Will do. Thanks, doctor.